Hey crafting friends, how's it going? Today is day 4 of Dollarama diamond painting unboxings. The diamond painting we're looking at is very similar, but a little bit different from one we've already looked at. So this one is also a dream catcher, but it's done in more pinks and purples, and I looked at it and I thought, wow, I really liked it. So let's get into this box. I'm going to show you the thumbnail really quick so that you get a better view of it. There you go. So if you look at the one I did the other day, it was more in neutral tones. I'm just going to pull this out for just so that you can see it. So grays, neutrals, tans, that sort of thing. And this one is more pinks, blues, purples. I like it. Kind of appealing to the wide bases. So there you go. I'm going to put that away. And of course on the back, you do get your instructions on how to diamond paint. I guess I could read it with my glasses on, but I'll save that for you if you feel like you need to read it. Get my trusty. So I will, just like I've said before, I do like this packaging. I don't like that it's plastic, but I do feel that it protects the painting quite well. I'm going to stick that off to the side. And this one does have a few rolls in it. You get your kit. I'm going to just throw that off the side. It's a basic tool kit. And I'm going to try rolling this and see. I don't know if I made it better or worse, but that's okay. It'll be good enough for viewing. So this one is a 30 by 40, and let's just get out the trusty measurer. So this one is on the ball 35, and I would suspect 25. I had a bit of a brain fart there. Yep, 25. And if I straighten this, 35, right on the money. Okay. So these are the drills. Really pretty colors, I think. But first of all, let's just zoom in and take a look at this drill field. So extremely, again, really clear, definite blocks of color sort of in through certain areas. I do see one color, the legend, the one color that I am seeing that might cause a little bit of a headache, but with a light pad, I don't think that it will, is this number A. Let's see if I can get it over here. So on the screen, it's showing up pretty good, but this number A looks pretty dark. So that would be my only concern out of all of it, and with a light pad, I think it would be just fine. There is no other color. Again, I'm going to zoom you back up. So it does have a thumbnail at the top of the painting, and then as well, legends going down each side. And it says there's 7. I wonder if there's 7 paintings out. I don't know if you can see me on screen there. It says number 7. I wonder if there are 7 out there, and I've only got 6 of them so far. I did actually, you know what? I did see one that I just didn't like even a little bit, so I just said no to it. So maybe that is the 7th one. But maybe I'll open that one and there'll be like 10. I don't know. But the more the merrier, right? I mean, the more opportunities that people can't always afford the places like Craftably or Diamond Art Club or some of the other higher end sites. And so this is a really nice, easy way to get involved in the art of actually doing it without spending a ton of money until you know that it's something that you actually really, really, really like. And I mean, these were the paintings that I started off with, and I don't mind doing them even still. So they serve their purpose. Okay, let's take a look at the beautiful drills, if I can figure out how to open up this package. I just looked at my viewfinder to make sure that it was recording. I thought, yep, knowing me. Okay, let's just put this off to the side and figure out which end we're looking at first. All right. So we start off with a 121, or sorry, 211, 237, 340, nice purple color, 352, 718, 754, I like this really, really light, 775, and then right into a dark 797, 798, and 799. And then we've got a tan of 951, a seafoamy 964, and then a kind of a lime green-ish, sage-ish 966, and then 995, 996. We go into some tans and some kind of purple tinged tans. So 3024 and 3042, and then we get into sort of some dusty roses of 3688, pink of 3716, 3747, 3766. It's just such a pretty color. And then we have some 3865, which is sort of some maroony, purpley, pinky. And then 3866, which is a dusty rose, and 3846 and 3865. So again, 25 colors. None of them are double bagged, which is not a bad thing. And there you have diamond painting number 4 from Dollarama. Not bad at all. I can see doing all of these. None of them have been something that I would just steer clear from altogether. So really, really happy with everything about it, including the drill field. Did we check the sticky? I don't even know if we did. Let's just do that now. Yeah, you guys, one thing I can't complain about, and I think I said this in the last video, but honestly, the stick factor has been really, really good. So once I get into doing one of these, it'll be really interesting to see if it holds up to what's in my head about being satisfied with them so far. But that's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed this one. I've got one more to go, and if you want to see it, it'll be out tomorrow. I really do appreciate you guys hanging out with me while I do these unboxings. I just thought they'd be kind of fun and to show you what's out there that's on a budget. If you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up. You can do the other YouTubey things, which include thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications if you so desire. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel. And then as well, you guys, take care. Hug a loved one and find something to make you smile in your day. I will catch you guys on the next video. Until then, bye.